Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of GBPCHF. GBPCHF is in upward trend. This was the first resistance. This pair from this low, this was the high and resistance of the market, and this was the low. So this high and this resistance was broken here. After breaking this resistance, after breaking this high, the market came down and retested this support. After retesting this support, this was the second resistance. After this retest of the support, the market went upward and broke this support. The second support is already broken. After breaking this, the market came downward on the support and retesting this level, making this support. From this support went up again to retest the same level, and this is the level that is already broken. Again came downward to retest this level. Now this was the high. Let us rephrase it. This was the low of the market. This was the high of the market. High of the market was broken. This was low, and now this is new. This is new high. After this new high, this was low. This is lower high or higher low. Sometimes I confuse them. This was high, market came down for low, and this is higher low. Okay, if this is low, this is higher low. Okay, and this after this breaking this resistance came down for higher low 2. This was a low, this was a higher low 1, this was low higher 2, and again came here but did not break this. If this would have been broken, then there could be other way, but this is not broken. This is just retested. Let us set to this is the level here. This level is retested. So now the market is going upward, and what are the targets? What are the possible TPs? Here is the better time for entry. Now let me make it simple. Where are the TPs? First TP at this level, second TP maybe right down here, and if you want to take small TPs, there is possibilities also. Here is also possibility. Let me set the horizontal line here. This is also TP plus, this is also TP. Wherever you are comfortable with according to your strategy. Here is the next resistance, and this is also TP. So what I am expecting from this market now, this pair, that this will go for this high at least, or even this high, then will come to retest for some low. This was the high of the market, and this was the higher high 1 of the market. This was the high of the market, this was the higher high 1 of the market, and now the market is looking for higher high 2, and I am expecting this go around this level at least. So now take profit options are open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now let us think also about stop loss Delta stop loss is very near. We do not need to put further deep, just below this, just below this. I think it's okay, because this is the previous low and I don't think it will be broken, because the market is now heading towards the upward level. Now this is, now let me put the horizontal line to make it clear for you. The stop loss under this wick, because this was the low. Now the market is won't go back to the next low, because then this low will be broken and the market is going upward. The setup is ready to go upward. And other thing that I want to share with you, that all the shift pairs, in all the shift pairs, chef CHF is dropping. I have already made videos on Euro chef, CAD chef, chef JPY. If you want to watch those videos, and go and watch those videos also. And after this, I will analyze the Australian dollar chef and other chef pairs. This was, this GBP chef was already analyzed, but I needed some time to make this analyze and record a video for you. But this is the best time for its analysis, and even for the entry of the buy position in GBP chef. Now for just for just enjoyment, let me put this long position. This is the long position here, and these are all the TPs. These are all the TPs, and stop loss just here. So this is the setup of buys on GBP chef. So like this video, subscribe my channel and share with others, and let me know in the comments what do you think of this analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.